Mod Squad? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these eyebrows. I'm so terrible at that. But today I'm going to show you how I got these eyebrows. They're pretty natural, but like that bold natural, like I'm trying to make a statement. You see my eyebrows natural. I like it. It's good for that everyday like makeup look like I have going on right now. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you want to learn how to get your brows looking good, then make sure that you go ahead and keep on watching. I'm looking over at the monitor, looking at myself because I got to chill. My brows just looking too good, so I got to just keep looking at myself, girl. Yeah, so if you want these brows, then make sure that you keep on watching.
What does she do? I do everything. I move everything.
So I do already have a brow tutorial on my channel. I actually have a couple of them. So if it's a specific brow that you're looking for, I will link a playlist of all of my brow tutorials above, just so you can check out how this one may differ from those. But this is my updated brow routine. I do them differently, the methods, the techniques differently all the time. So it just depends on you, like what it is that you're looking for. But I definitely got enough to go around for everybody. This is a step that I learned from B. Marie. She goes in and applies powder on her brows. And I really saw that this really helps in just creating a really nice base for the product, because sometimes our brows can be a bit oily just from product being applied to our face, like foundation. So if you do your brows last, like I'm doing right now, you definitely can have some foundation in your brows or something like that. I do need to pluck because this is growing in, but I don't want to touch that because I want this to actually grow in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start by filling in on the outsides. So you wanna just start in the outer part of your brows, right? Because that's where you want the most definition. In the front, you want very light strokes. So I will work in the front, but just do very light strokes. Nothing really too crazy. Go in and kind of lightly fill in down here as well. But as you can see, this part is kind of like lighter, then it goes darker at the edge, a little ombre. Here, my brows are pretty sparse. Just a little hair is missing, that's what it look like, right? So I go in, just fill that in at the back, like I said. I think I kind of want to make that look the same way. Don't worry about underneath here because I'm going to clean that up with concealer anyway. Like I said, I would usually go in and wax my brows and stuff, but I don't want to do that because I want them to grow in. It's a desired look that I want to go for, that I'm just waiting for my brows to grow so that I could do it. But yeah, filling in your brows is actually a really good thing to do when you are just looking to allow your brow hairs to grow in, so that you don't have to like have anybody manipulating and cutting and tweezing and threading and waxing your brows, and you just want them to grow. So you can just go in and fill them in the meantime. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna take my concealer, which is the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to apply that underneath my brow. I usually go in with something that's a little more drier and that's tacky, so that it'll dry down quickly. But we're just gonna use this one for today. see how she acts. I think this step is pretty much the most important part of doing your brows, just because you want to make sure that you're really carving out underneath the brow to get a really cleaned up look. So if you are looking to know exactly how your brows should measure up and stuff like that, definitely should be something going on here and here. So this one is pretty much there, but this one is the one that I will have to go in and fill in a little bit more so that it is all evened out. So I will have to add in some little hairs here, just so that my brows are matching. And then going in and like brushing it out a little bit just to give it the ombre. Then I want to go in on top too, because on the other side it's a little filled in on the top. So we're going to go in on the top. So we got that brow pretty much down. So I'm going to use this brush to just go ahead and dry that down. Then I take some of that and kind of like go inside of the brow to give it a even more ombre effect. Even kind of like go in and do something like that. I want to go in with my black opal foundation stick in the shade Cara and just make that appear more natural, because as you can see, it's looking really like highlighted up there, and I don't want that. So this is just gonna tone that down. You can also use your foundation shade to do this. Also gonna go underneath here. Go in and just set it with that powder. That brush that I had the powder on, even though it's no powder on here, but I just want to set my brow again because of all the product that I applied. Just go ahead and brush one more time. So this completes my brows. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like. Don't forget to comment with your feedback, advice, whatever you want to say in the comment section. Go ahead and say it. And subscribe. Duh. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.